All right, so this is going to be a real-time thought process on xFUND. Of course, we do have shout out to AI966. Says you're awesome for real. Thank you, man. Appreciate you. And this is going to be a longer video. Says thank you so much for the response. I appreciate it. And what do you think about xFUND? A lot of people are calling 200x. All right, so I have a lot of red flags. So for starters, market cap is 3 million, but of course with this, the higher risk, higher reward. So just kind of give you a heads up on that. Then on the website, it says xFUND is a free token for request. This is another red flag. Like, I really don't like when there's free tokens or when they tell you to shield their coin. Go to different groups and tell people about the coin. And of course, you get extra tokens. I don't like that. I really don't. Then we have their Discord. It's got 1,000 members. Huge red flag. Huge red flag. Now, I could not find when they started. So if you know when they started, let me know in, of course, the comments. Their tags are oracles and governance, and of course about xFUND, it says, well, you can read that. And then for their Twitter, let's see here. This is their Twitter, 24.8. Not too bad, not too bad. And then let's see, when did they start? They joined back in 2018. So that is a huge red flag. Good Lord, 2018, May 2018. Huge red flag. Then this is on Telegram. 3.7 thousand for Telegram. Another red flag. So they've been around for a while. All this is just red flags for me. Now, does that mean you cannot make money? Nope, sure doesn't. You can make money like real quick, but just to give you a heads up, like all these are red flags. Then, of course, here I typed in xFUND, and these are the ones that came up. I went ahead and clicked on this one to get the information. So just kind of give you a heads up on that. So let's go over here to this. This is going to be a longer video. So let's go this, and then shift in this one, and hide this mumbo jumbo. What else did I have? Oh, I had some more stuff. So on this, see, I already talked about this one. I talked about this, uh, this. So the markets that you can get them on is on Uniswap and these other ones. So that's that. And then this is what I typed in. This is what I found. All right. So let's go ahead and get rid of this. So this is a real time, just kind of looking at it. This is on the weekly chart. Could it go all the way up here? Yes, definitely, of course. Could it do 20, 30, 40x? Yes. Yep, sure could. Just very high risk. So just know that whenever you get into coins that are not on exchanges, just know that it's very high risk. We do have this level right here to where it needs to stay above, and that's 304.30. It needs to stay above this level. If it breaks below it, no telling how long low it can go. Now, let's go to the daily time frame, and we'll see right here. We have a high, lower high, lower high. So downtrend, obviously. And if we were to enter right now, I would have my stop loss right around 7%. A super tight stop loss. I would not go underneath let's put it right here. I would not go underneath the order block because you're looking at about 20, 21%. I would not do that. I'd have it super tight, right around 7%. And if we were to enter right now, which is super high risk, on the daily, it's underneath the 9 SMA. I don't show anything as far as divergence goes. Again, this is kind of like just on the fly. Let's go to 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we do see that it is above the 9 SMA, gaining really nice support. It's looking good. let's see, we do have, nope, no divergence. So it's looking pretty good. This one, to me, in my opinion, of course, not financial advice, entertainment purposes only. Right now, very high risk, just because of the FA that I presented earlier. But once again, it could make you some money. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour, nice. It's balancing right on the 9 SMA. Coming up. I don't see anything here either. So let's go back to the 4 hour SMA. So if we were to enter, let's say we entered it right here. And then what I would also do is I would put a lower entry just in case it comes down, which it might, to the 9 SMA. I will put a lower entry right here at 339.73 with a stop loss at 32291. Of course, 322.91. Do my stop loss there. Now let's go to the higher time frame. Of course, if you do want to learn how to trade, definitely follow me. I show you all my tips and tricks. And for this, let's go to, where's the price action at? Let's see, it's around right here. Our first target, I mean, depending on where you want your targets at, you could do a target right around 25%, which isn't bad. Some people don't like lower targets. They want to do like really high targets. It just takes longer. I like to compound my gains. But we can do one right there, another one right there, and then our last, well, depending on how much you want to do, we can do another one right here. And of course, they were calling for 20x. So let's go to a higher time frame. I mean, you can go as high as you want, really. Just how long are you going to hold it for? That's the biggest question. I had one person who was messaging me today, and they're like, "Yeah, I don't like your 20% gains, your 30% gains. Like, I want more." I was like, "How long are you going to hold it for?" Like, here's almost an 8x, and then we can go higher up. Like, it just depends on how long you want to hold it. That's all that is. How long do you want to hold it? So here would be another one, 18x, and then about here be another one, 30x. Like how, and that's the big question. Do you want to hold it for a few days, a few weeks, a few months, maybe 18, 24 months? That's the big question. How long do you want to hold it? I do apologize for this long video. I was chewing on some frozen strawberries earlier, but I hope you understand my whole thought process on this. And if you have any questions, please let me know. I do thank you so much, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much. Take care.